Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ram Queen. In today's video I'll be showing you how I shape this beautiful and colorful vegetable garnish jollof rice. For my recipe I'll be using 10 scotch bonnet pepper, 3 onions, 2 yellow bell peppers, 2 red bell peppers, 2 green bell peppers, and 12 fresh tomatoes. I'm also going to be using 2 cans of chopped tomatoes and 2 cans of plum tomatoes. For seasoning, I'll be using curry powder, complete seasoning, adobo, seafood seasoning, and tomato puree. I'll be using 4 crayfish mangi for taste. I'll be using 6 cups of basmati rice and 4 cups of boiled chicken stock. So this is my vegetable here, already washed. I'm going to be chopping it in circles. You can chop it in whatever shape you want. Guys, don't forget to use the onions because this onions is essential in this recipe. So that your neighbor will smell that aroma and come to your house uninvited. By adding all these vegetables to your jollof rice will enable your children to eat more vegetables. They will never have excuse because the rice and the vegetable is already mixed together. So guys, try it and see. You see your children will love vegetables by force. Guys, these are my vegetables already chopped. I'm just going to put them aside and start blending the peppers and other ingredients. Guys, please, if you know you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and support your sister. Join the family and also hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to know whenever I upload any new video on this channel. And also leave a comment below if you are interested to see any African cuisine, because I'm ready to give you the taste of Africa. I'm going to blend the tomatoes and put it aside, then start frying the other ingredients. I have my pan on the stove. I'm going to allow it to heat up for 2 minutes. With this recipe, I will be using rapeseed oil. So I'm not going to be measuring the oil. I'm just going to use the amount of oil that can go into my jollof rice. So because I need a lot of oil, so there's no need of measuring it at all. So guys, you can use any amount of oil that you desire. So I'll allow the oil to heat for 3 minutes, then add my onions and fry. Make sure you stir your onions very well because this will prevent it from burning. I'm going to be adding bay leaf. I want to fry the bay leaf because I need that aroma inside. You know, that aroma from the bay leaf needs to go inside that oil, especially when you fry it. I'm going to fry the tomatoes puree for 10 minutes to get rid of that sour taste. In this my jollof rice, guys, I don't need sour taste. Sometimes I like sour, but not in this jollof rice. So guys, I'm going to fry it. Make sure you always stir it to prevent it from burning. this point, I'm going to be adding my blended ingredients. I'll combine it together and start introducing my seasonings into the sauce. I'll start by adding the seafood seasoning, adobo, complete seasoning, curry powder, crayfish mango, and 1 tablespoon of jumbo. I'll now combine everything thoroughly. So guys, as you may notice, I did not measure some of my seasonings because I just want to put enough as I want. So it depends on you. You could measure it or do just the way I did. I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for 20 minutes. At this point, I'm going to be adding the rice, and I've already washed the rice with boiled water. Make sure I wash it very well to get rid of the starch. This rice is basmati, so you can use any rice of your choice. I'll be adding the chicken stock. So at this point, I'm going to combine everything together, make sure it's well mixed. I'm going to cover it with cling foil and the lid as well and allow it to cook for 30 minutes. This cling foil will enable this rice to steam without even bringing water in. So this is what I'm going to do, guys. This aroma, God, hey, God is calling me already. I wish you are here. By the time you see this video, this rice must have already begun. So this is it. The rice is almost cooked. So I'm just going to take the cling foil off and stir it, then cover it again and allow the rice to cook for at least 5 minutes more. Look at it. The aroma is everywhere. My God, I wish you are here to enjoy this rice with me. By the time you see this video, this rice must have already begun. Wow, look at it, the rice is ready. I'm just going to combine everything together and introduce the vegetables. Got a beautiful color. I wish you are here. So with the vegetables, I'm not going to cook it for long because I still want that crunchy taste of it. So I'm going to just mix the vegetable gently so that I don't break everything in there. So I still want it in full tanks. I'm going to cover the jollof rice to enable the vegetable to cook for 2 minutes. So guys, please make sure you cook your rice on low heat. This will prevent your rice from burning too much. So this is it, our rice is ready. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you on my next video. Bye.